Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe the person in your family who you most admire. You should say what their relationship is to you, what they have done in their life, what they do now, and explain why you admire them so much.
The person in my family who I most admire is my grandmother. She is my mother's mother and has always been a role model to me. Throughout her life, my grandmother has faced many challenges, but she has always persevered with grace and strength. She grew up during a time when women didn't have as many opportunities as men, but she worked hard to become a successful businesswoman. Now in her 70s, my grandmother is retired but still incredibly active. She volunteers at a local charity, helps take care of her grandchildren, and is always learning new things. She is an avid reader and has a thirst for knowledge that is contagious. What I admire most about my grandmother is her kindness and generosity. She is always there to lend a helping hand or offer words of wisdom. She has a way of making everyone feel loved and important, and she never judges or criticizes. I also admire my grandmother's resilience and determination. She has faced many difficult times in her life, but she has always found a way to overcome them. She is a true inspiration to me and has taught me so much about what it means to be a strong, kind, and compassionate person. In summary, my grandmother is an amazing woman who has accomplished so much in her life and continues to inspire those around her. I am grateful to have her in my life and will always look up to her as a role model. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.